morning, everyone. It's another peaceful day, and now you see that I'm already prep up. Some of our things that we prepared last night are already inside the car. So for now, we're gonna be going to Lily's pediatrician for her vaccine and of course her pedio visit. And then after, we're gonna be leaving to the farm. We won't be staying that long on the farm kasi I still have a lot of errands to do in this coming week. And of course, the main reason that I'll be there is because I have to pay the workers. And syempre, at least to visit the farm naman. Kasi since Commander D is not here, I'll take care in the meantime while he's away. You ready na for a trip? And now she's carrying her kangaroo this time because she loves the kangaroo na, and even Goofy. Fuel time muna, guys. Kasi we're gonna be traveling in a while after video visit, diba? Like what I've said. Right now we're stuck in the traffic, and when I saw the Google Map, mukhang mahaba-habang labanan to. Arrive, and it's been a long time that I haven't drove here. Kasi I'm not really driving much here. Si Commander D talaga usually, and si Kuya. So yeah, but at least I made it. Right, so pasensya if you hear some background noise. I guess may nagpapaputol ng mga falkata. So it is very, very common here. Right, saan ba ko pupunta? Might need to go up. Oh, wow! So precious! Hala! Namungaw na ikaw! So all the way down here, they really clean it well. And I'm impressed. So you see the difference? Yeah. Wow, I'm amazed. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to come back, try to walk there. But I can see the progress. Just need to sort what needs to be sorted, and we're good to go. So right now I'm here, still at Barangay Del Monte. This is a Pisonet there. I'm currently connecting here. Sayang, wala yung Wi-Fi buddy ko. Kasi naman nila. And it's okay kasi imagine it cost like 5 pesos for 2 hours. So diba? Buti na lang, the internet connection is good, and you can steal the background noise na may kumakanta dito. So, ngayon, I'm just here. Then si Kuya and Mama just left kasi I've heard brownout daw sa bahay. So they have to get Lily. So yeah, they're gonna come back here in a while, and I'll just wait here.
Asa daw mo?
Anong naabot mo
lang ka dali, oh.
Wala ang.
Wala.
Kining 23.
Doon sa...
So Lily just woke up. And now she'll have her babat. Uy, sa'yo sa buntag nag-uto? Oh, Diyos ko. Good morning, everyone. Today's another brand new day, and we're still here at Varela. What happened yesterday? I wasn't able to make some videos na after the last time that I went to the Pisonet kasi something happened unexpectedly. Just a brief story of what happened kagabi. So while I was at the Pisonet, doon sa suki namin ni Commander T. So, I was with my mom and si kuya. So, syempre, I had to make a phone call with my husband. And then, suddenly, it went brown out. So, syempre, naputol yung talk namin. So, we had to find another area that has a pisonet and walang brown out. And then, we were able to find another one kasi we really thought na like the entire barangay sa Barangay Del Monte had this run out, but then hindi pala. So some of the areas lang. So syempre we were able to find another pisonet. So we stopped over at that another pisonet area which is near lang sa Del Monte Elementary School. I did a call back to Commander T. And while we were having a conversation, suddenly my aunt and my uncle came there and naghulog doon sa pisonet kasi they wanted to contact my two cousins. What happened pala was, they had an accident somewhere, I guess almost near to Barangay Sinubong. The wheel at the rear part of the motorbike exploded. So, we were so worried kasi syempre we don't know how to communicate with them kasi unang-una walang signal talaga and we just only rely on the pisonet. Nagmamadali kami and we went to look for them. A concerned citizen that was approached by my cousin Erwin told my aunt there sa bahay nila na something happened to them. And during that time, that's where they still at the area kung saan sila na-aksidente. So while we were searching all the way heading to Barangay Sinubong, so we tend to ask some people about if they were able to see two guys who had an accident, and gladly someone told us na they were already taken by the SARAS or the search and rescue unit here in Varela. And so we went straight to the SARAS unit and we were able to contact the one in charge na kumuha sa kanila. So I made a phone call and we found out na they were taking the two patients or my cousins straight to Bunawan District Hospital. Found out then during the phone call na my cousin Erwin had an open wound on his left knee and they have some minor scratches and wounds sa certain areas, especially in the lower extremities. Pero the good thing is that they're conscious and hindi natamaan yung ulo nila and gladly they were safe. So they had to stitch them up para ma-close daw yung open wound sa left knee niya. So after that, we went straight ahead to Bunawan District Hospital and we just wait for them. So there was this shortcut pala in Bunawan via San Gabriel. And it was the first time that we passed by there sa gabi pa talaga. But the good thing is, when we pass by here at this alternative route heading to Bunawan, it will take like almost 30 minutes because it's like 22 kilometers lang from Veruela Municipal Hall all the way to Bunawan District Hospital. After what happened, the open wound was stitched up, they were dressed out, and then they were also taken x-rays. And gladly, thank you talaga, they were all okay. We waited to get everything done, and we were able to go back around 11:35 in the evening. We just arrived at home around mga 1 na in the morning. So, kaya pasensya if I'm really quite sleepy kasi that's what happened. So now, today's ganap is, syempre, we had to wake up early kasi I have to check the area. Know who were the workers still present from day 1 until now. Tapos sino yung mga na additional. Kasi this will be the last day for this week na they're gonna finish whatever needs to be finished there. And kung hindi man matapos, they're gonna do it on Monday. Kasi they need also a 1 day off. Now, I'm currently here at my mom's payag. Small hut. So, we have another small hut here na malapit sa another lot namin, which is the one with banana trees. Now, Lily's already done with her bath. Angie just finished her breakfast, so kakain muna ako in a while and I'll take a nap. Kasi mamaya I'll be going there sa taas to check what's the progress. Asa ka? Ay, kinoko. Ay, kinoko. Careful. Careful. Ay! There. Thank you. Alright. Ta-dan! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Before you judge me, my daughter is playing on the dirt. Kasi naman na panay sige siya tingin sa cellphone, mas okay pag makita ko siya na naglalaro nito. It might be sound ew kasi madurme, pero sa totoo lang, I've been there. Favorite ko din ginagawa yan noon eh. So I enjoyed playing on the ground, digging some stuff. Minsan pa nga yung mga bahay-bahayan, yung mga ginagawa namin nung 90s. And yun yung isang bagay na nakakamiss na hindi talaga na-experience ng mga, you know, mga generation ngayon. Nothing beats that one than watching something or focusing sa social media or yung mga gadgets natin. It's not helping. Mas the best talaga ang bonding or yung naglalaro ka na kagaya ng ginagawa ng anak ko. It's really dirty, pero alam kong nag-enjoy siya. Happy ako doon. Basta hindi lang niya kakainin yung dumi. And of course, kailangan mo ding bantayan. Hindi porket na naglalaro siya ng ganito, pabayaan mo na. So, kailangan pa din ng supervision. nagbabantay ako kay Lily. Si Angie naman na luto ng nilagang saging. Oh my God, Lily. Tama na! Panayagit na si Mama. Hello everyone. It's been another day. And kagabi I wasn't able to make some videos na kasi sobrang pagod ko na talaga guys, kasi it's been 2 days na kulang yung tulog ko and I decided to have a full rest. So yeah, now we're gonna go back to Davao and that's it. So see you on the next video guys. Maraming salamat po. And kung bago po kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to follow me here in this channel and like this video, okay? And also hit the bell, the notification bell for more updates. If you want to know more about me, Commander D, and my daughter Lily, you can follow me on my social media apps, my Facebook, Instagram, and of course TikTok. Yes, I'm update po sa TikTok. So, see you po sa next video natin. And bye-bye!
Do you feel we got something strong?